हेलो दोस्तों, क्या हाल है। मैं राम नरेश चौधरी इंश्योरेंस टेक सपोर्ट यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं। मैं आज आपके सामने में स्टार हेल्थ गेन इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी के बारे में कुछ बतलाना चाहता हूं। इसका हाइलाइट्स मैं बतलाता हूं। स्टार हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी दैट कवर्ड बोथ आउट पेटेंट expenses and in patent expenses. Option of choose premium to be paid and sum assured required. Minimum premium option 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, 30,000 applicable GST extra. Sum assured option for in patent hospitalization 1 लाख, 2 लाख, 3 लाख, 4 लाख, 5 लाख. All day care producer are covered. एम्बुलेंस चार्ज 750 रुपया पर हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन एंड 1500 रुपया पर हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन पीरियड। ये आपका बेनिफिट इसमें क्या क्या है ये आपको जानना जरूरी है। हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन कवर रूम, बोर्डिंग, नर्सिंग एक्सपेंसेज अप टू 1% ऑफ सम एश्योर्ड पर डे। सर्जन, एनेसिया, मेडिकल, पेडेंशियल कंसल्टेंस स्पेशलिस्ट। एम्बुलेंस चार्ज 750 रुपया पर डे हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन एंड 1500 रुपया पर पॉलिसी पीरियड। प्री हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन एक्सपेंसेज अप टू 30 डेज पीरियड टू एडमिशन इन द हॉस्पिटल। पोस्ट हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन एक्सपेंसेज अप टू 60 डेज फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ डिस्चार्ज। एक्सपेंसेज incurred for all day care provider. Treatment for cataract is subject to limits mentioned in the policy. Co-payment of 20% of each and every claim amount for fresh as well as renewal policy for insured person who age of the time of entry in the 60 years. Waiting period 30 days, 24 months of specified illness disease, 48 months for treatment of pre-existing. Out patents benefit premium option and sum assured option shall be declared of out patent benefit label. Medical expenses incurred in network facility shall be remembered. There is no waiting period or co-pay applicable. Unutilized benefit is in a policy year can be carried forward to immediately succeeding renewal year. No further carrying cover is permitted. General terms and condition. Amount paid by any mode other than by cash for this insurance is eligible for relief under Section 80D of the Income Tax Act. Free look period. A free look period of 15 days from the date of receipt of the policy by the insured is available to the insured to review the term and condition of the policy. In case the insured is not satisfied with the terms and conditions, the insured may seek cancel of the policy, and in such an event the company may allow refund of premium paid after adjusting the cost of claim has been made until such collection. Free look period is not applicable at the time of renewal of this policy. Renewal lifetime renewal grace period of renewal 30 days from date of expiry of the policy. Renewal premium terms and conditions are subject to the change with period approved from IRDA. Revision of sum assured option to reduce or enhance sum assured is permissible at the time of renewal subject approval of the company. तो दोस्तों, देर मत करें, इंश्योरेंस टेक सपोर्ट यूट्यूब चैनल को देखें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें, अच्छा लगे तो कमेंट करें। और अगर हमसे कांटेक्ट करना चाहते हैं तो हमारे मोबाइल नंबर आप नोट कर लें 9835675219। दोस्तों आज का वीडियो इतना ही।